Hello, greetings from Booneri. Today's topic is the history of the Bermuda Triangle mysteries. What is the Bermuda Triangle? Watch ahead. What is the Bermuda Triangle? The Bermuda Triangle is an area of water in the North Atlantic Ocean that ranges from the bottom tip of Florida, USA, reaching northeast to Bermuda and then south to Puerto Rico in South America. Who coined the term Bermuda Triangle? In the year 1964, an American magazine author used the name Bermuda Triangle to describe this place. Why did he coin this term? It's because that area resembled the shape of a triangle. Well, there are no exact boundaries for the Bermuda Triangle, but according to Encyclopedia Britannica, its total area is between 1.3 to 3.9 million square kilometers. The triangle-shaped area is home to some of the biggest shipping routes in the world, making it a place of heavy water-based traffic. This water zone is also nicknamed as the Devil's Triangle. Why? Take a look. The Bermuda Triangle has a series of unexplained disappearances of ships and aircrafts which have just disappeared and never been found again. Let me tell you of one such incident. This happened in the year 1945. In the USA Navy, planes were ready to fly. There were 5 planes and 14 men in all. After the planes took off, they just disappeared and lost contact completely. In order to search for those planes, immediately an action was taken to send a rescue team. Just 20 minutes later, a rescue seaplane was sent to look for it. This seaplane had 13 crew men in it. But even that rescue seaplane which was sent on the search operation went missing. It just disappeared and the plane was never recovered. They were never seen again. From the time of this incident in 1945 until the mid-1980s, there were such incidents that included 25 small planes that disappeared. No wreckage even was ever recovered. All of these incidents happened while passing through the Bermuda Triangle. When the planes took off, everything was in control and communication was established. But as the aircrafts flew over the Bermuda Triangle, suddenly communication just got lost. These stories captivated the public and they wanted to know the reason behind this mystery. What was the reason for this disappearance? Watch ahead. Some people gave extraordinary explanations, claiming that there was something paranormal activity going on in the Bermuda Triangle, or maybe some supernatural powers influence. Some even suggested there might be other planets, aliens, that are responsible for this mystery. Many stories kept building up like this. Another such explanation cites the fact that the ocean floor is relatively rich in a gas called methane or CH4. This mixes with freezing water to form a gas ice sediment mix under high pressure. If an underwater landslide occurs, this noxious mixture can burst out from the seafloor, entering the atmosphere and then either intoxicating the pilots or interfering with normal piloting, causing such disasters. After speculating so much on this, the exact reasons are still not clear and the mystery continues to remain the same.